We are now joined by the leader of opposition, Mr. R. Ashok. So thank you so much for talking to India today. Sir, the Congress has questioned that how did Prajwal Revanna flee the same day the voting got over? And they've also asked, didn't center facilitate his exit from Bangalore because it involves the airport and immigration authorities? So they are alleging that center's hand is definitely there in Prajwal Revanna fleeing India.
I think Congress people have no brain, I think. In Karnataka, law and order comes under the state government. It is correct. Why they allowed from after voting? When he got into voting, there is a police officers is there, district administration is there, SP is there, everybody is there. After voting, why they allowed to go to airport? The gunman of MP, who nominated? Is the Congress people? Is the government? We are paying the money of that gunman also, Karnataka state. I think the failure of the intelligence. Why are not arrested in the Hassan only? My question is, why are not arrested? Okay, after that he traveled 300 kilometers. He crossed the 5 districts. What are they doing, the 5 district police officers? They have not done anything. So, traveling every minute, the intelligence have to give the message to the higher officers. Why not given? Why not keep quiet? Because Congress party, I think in this case, he gone to abroad. No, in this case, Congress party is the culprit. They only allowed him to go to another country. This is the failure of the Congress government, Congress party, intelligence, police intelligence, failure, 100% flap. I am asking the question of Congress party, why you allow to go to airport? That is your jurisdiction. That is your jurisdiction. That is the authority of you. Why you allow? Why you are asking Narendra Modi? Come on, tell. This is my question.
Sir, should the BJP be associated with a man who is accused of sexual harassment and sexual perversion? Why is it that the NDA has fielded Prajwal Revanna? So should you not now oust him from his candidature?
Up to now, he is not a NDA parliament member. He is not, legally I am telling, is not our party, NDA party MP. He elected from Congress and JDS aligned MP. Congress party is campaign, entire is campaign, 30 days campaign. All the leaders of Congress party, they went to Hassan, they propaganda towards campaign towards Prajwal Revanna. Now they are telling what are doing Modi. First you tell another 1 month, 13 days, I think he is the MP of Congress and JDS. They have to answer. After winning, we will take 100% action.
So BJP's party president, Vijayendra, has stated that he never received the letter in the first place. But if you take a look at the letter, Devaraja Gowda is clearly a defeated candidate from BJP. He is your own party member and it is addressed to Vijayendra. So how is he saying that he didn't receive that letter, sir?
No, I think Vijayendra, what is a party president? What he is telling is correct. He posted or no, we don't know. Vijayendra already cleared, I have not received any letter. Means that is close. We have not received any letter from the Rajagowda.
So Congress MLA has made a shocking statement stating that if Congress gets less number of votes, then he has threatened that the electricity supply to Kannadigas will be cut off.
I think already Congress party accepted defeat in Karnataka. That's why telling in Magadi also, old Mysore, H.K. Balakrishna is also good. If you don't vote to Congress, we will stop the 5 guarantee. So once again that Kage is telling electricity cut. That is the, means they are losing the election.
Okay. Sir, he has also made a shocking statement against Prime Minister Modi, saying that if Prime Minister Modi dies tomorrow, there are 140 crore other Indian youths to take over his position. Why only Modi?
So I think Congress people are waiting for the Modi death. This is the, I think, worst behavior of the Congress party. Worst behavior.
Will you take action against
And
Mr.
100% the Congress, if Congress party is a national party, they have to suspend from the MLA-ship. They have to suspend from the Congress party. Otherwise, we think this is the statement of the Congress party. You will take action.
Will you be filing a complaint against
Yeah, 100% we will file the complaint.